Yo, what's going on, traders? Got a red day. Got a red day today. Um, yeah, just wasn't doing good execution, and I didn't hit record a lot of my trades. So just stay tuned for it. Yo, what's up, traders? As you can tell in the intro, red day. You see in the thumbnail. Yeah, man, it was just this float is trading BlackBerry. Just the float, I guess, extremely high, but it was good volume. It was a lot of volume in this stock. Um, just didn't really just ain't capitalized right. I don't know what's wrong with my trading today. Um, so I have a red day, and also I didn't even really capture all my trades. Um, yeah, like I had some winning trades on there, like especially at the open, but I didn't even hit record. So I did not record my open. So this is what y'all get, man. All right. So I'm looking for that pullback. Still sticking to my strategy. I want it below 1950, but as you can see here, I missed it. Like I jumped in at 1954. It was a bad entry altogether because it did not crack below 1950. Even though it did get down to 1953, you know, I should not be looking at the stock right now. Like I should not have entered in that position 1954. It's not conducive to my strategy if I said that word right. So still in there, 1954. Look at the bid. Look how it's struggling to go up. It's very heavy. Did you see that? Did you see that? Let me write that back. Did you see that big number there at the 58 level? Look at this. Look at that. 1,390. Whoa. Like I could have cut it right there when I saw that number, but I wanted to see what it'll do next time, like when it pops back up. So I held on to it. So got wiped out. Right now is where really I should have entered my first position. This is where I really should have gotten in the 46, 47 level. Because look where it's going to rip to. It's going to rip back up to that 1958 level, and it's going to get rejected. There's a guy with a big number on 19. There you go again, 1958. There you go. And you see that? Did you see that? Like right there, I should be exiting. Did you see the tape? Did you see the tape when the 1958 guy got there? Look at the tape. 1958. He's up there, and the tape is just slowing down. It's like it's just running out of energy. The tape's not. It's moving as fast when that 1958 guy's up there. It's telling me that's weak. So that's why I cut it off like that. So jumped in here in 1947. This is a way better entry than before. Could have got it a lot lower, but this is my strategy. This is my strategy here. Should get the pop over 50. But this is real heavy, really heavy. It's struggling. There he goes. Slow with my execution, still took it off. Got off right there. Looking for another trade here. Jumped in 1940. I like that entry. It's a nice little entry. But I probably should just left it alone. Left it alone because just look at the tape action. Like just look how heavy it is. Look at the bids. 41, 42, 43s. Greens are coming through, but why is it not going up to 44? It's taking a long time. They didn't just drop. So it's very weak. Very, very weak. Got dumped on. And like this is like a rookie mistake. I guess I'm just holding. I don't know what I'm doing here. Like I should have cut this off. I added there, got 1930 average, but look how slow the bids are acting. It's going down. The tape's slowing up. Bids are going down. I should have cut that off for that $20 loss and just take it off for the day. Yep. Excuse me. Look at that. Like, man, 1925 at 250 shares. Added to a losing position. They go my max loss for a share. Like when I'm in a trade, my max loss per trade is $50. You know, I'm holding on to this stock. I'm in way too high. It's just some rookie stuff. Like I know the bounce is going to come. Like I know it's going to come. Now I guess that's why I'm being stubborn and not letting go, cause I know it's going to come. Just don't know when. You never know when. You just hope to be in it. You just hope to be in a position when it reverses. See the tape slowing up. That'd have been a better ass spot for my first entry at that 1898 level. It broke below 19. Look at the tape slowing up. Look at the tape. It's gonna pop back up above 19. See, that should have been my first entry. Like if I like looking at the stock now, looking at it like back here when I took this first trade, it is overextended, way overextended. Like look at this before, like just don't imagine these two candles not here. It's a pocket like from here to this 9 EMA. That's a big pocket. So I should have been expecting that pullback all the way down to it at least. You know, I was trying to play my strategy off the 1950, but the momentum, it was just not there. There was not enough volume for that stock to crack 50 and pop back over. I mean, there was volume there, but it's just not. It wasn't enough to pop back over. Like the Bears took control up here at this spot, and it just bled on out. Look at, I'm in at 1917 too, cause it's gonna reverse. Like it's gonna reverse, and I didn't. I made a little bit of money back on the open. Actually, yeah, I made some money back on the open, but I didn't hit record and capture none of those trades. So I'm just gonna make this a red day. IT 17. See, if I was in that 1898 position, you know, I could scalp this little 5 cents, 6 cents, because it's gonna pop up. Took it off for a loss, man. Down $55 on the day. Yeah, so it's red day recap. No good trades today. It's Money Games. Hit like and subscribe.